class. How are you? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay home, stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Guys, before we start anything, let's pray to God. Everyone, close your eyes. Join your hands and start with 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath. Open your eyes slowly, slowly. Okay. Now you are totally peaceful and you are become a big peaceful soul after you cry. You are being relaxed. Now you do concentrate your mind on your study. Okay? Which chapter is going on? Our chapter 2, PLA-5-ING. Playing with numbers. इस बार हमें play करना है ना? What we had done already? We had number name, after, before, between, ascending, descending, greatest number, smallest number. All these we are done. And today's our topic is new one. We are giving them basically place. What is that? Place हम बता रहे हैं. And this is our ordinal. 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 NUMBERS numbers. Ordinal numbers. जो 1 to 10 है. This one. This number is called cardinal. What is that? It's called a cardinal. 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 NUMBERS. Cardinal numbers. And ORDINAL. Ordinal. NUMBERS. Ordinal numbers. Okay? So जैसे आप अपनी फैमिली में है ना, sometimes what that you are counting your family members. My father is sorry, you are first, then your brother or sister, then your mother, then your likewise है ना, arrange करते हो. Sometimes you are playing with some toys. So this one is first number, second number, third number. है ना, sometimes you are arranging your toys. At that time you also give them place. आप उसको place देते हो. And जैसे sometimes you arrange your books also. English book is first, Hindi is second, Maths is third, EVS is fourth, SS is fifth. This first, second, third, fourth. These books are the ordinal numbers. Sorry, these numbers are ordinal number. What is this? This number. Ordinal number shows the position of place. Ordinal number क्या दिखाते हैं? Let's look your place, position of place. In your textbook, guys, page number 29. Everyone, page number 29. Okay? Here is ordinal numbers. Here is these 3 students, Shahil, Rahul, and Ravi. These 3 are get the position. Sometimes you also win the competition. जैसे आप रनिंग रेस होती है, when you come सबसे फर्स्ट पहले नंबर पे आते हो, तो your position is first position. When your friend Ravi is coming next number, second number पे आया है, दूसरी जगह पे जो आया है, it's called a second position. And one more your friend, like here is the Rahul, और आपका और एक friend, वो तीसरे नंबर पे position, it's called a ordinal number. Okay? Chalo. You put your finger on this line. There was a sports day in Rahul's school. Rahul नाम का जो लड़का था उसके स्कूल में स्पोर्ट का डे था. Many students participated in a games and won. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट उसमें पार्टिसिपेट भी हुए थे और रेसेस जीत भी थे. Look at the given pictures and read the position of Rahul. So Rahul is in third. Here is written Rahul is in third position. In Shahid is at first position and Ravi is second position. Okay, this is the about students. And look at the first. I will explain all this. Okay, then I will give you follow up. Okay, sorry. Look here. How to write this number? How to write this position? Show कैसे होता है? Look here. I have drawn already these pictures. First star, sun, moon, smiley, ball, apple, mango, orange, banana, and pear. Okay? Chalo. So how to show this position? The first star is first. One becomes ST. First. ये कैसे किया था वो भी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. Second. Two लिखे ending. Second. This is the number. ये number है और this is the number name. ये original numbers name. Okay. Moon is THR third. Smile is fourth. Fifth. Ball is fifth. Then apple is sixth. Then mango is seventh. Orange is eighth. Banana is ninth. And pear is in a tenth position. Okay. So this one you have to do in your notebook. Where this one you have to do in your notebook. This picture is so easy. बहुत easy है. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि no, it's so easy. If you want to draw apple, it's so easy. Draw like this. है ना? It's not a tough. If you want to draw mango, how to draw mango? Look here. I am explaining. First draw ऐसा H बना दो. Then do. You continue to go there. It's a mango. If you want to draw ball, how to draw? First draw circle, then put their S. Okay? And star, you know very well how to draw stars. Stars like this, and this. If you want to draw a banana, so draw how? First do this C, then orange C, then O, then O. It's become a banana. It's easy now. If you do try, it's so easy. Okay? Chalo. So this is your CW. You have to do like this picture, and in one box you draw one tick. What is small tick? How many? It's a small in size. In one box you draw star. In second box you sun. Third box moon. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. You have to draw small one. Okay? Chalo. Then skip a line and then write cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay? You write this in one box. No need to skip a line. यहाँ पे आपको लाइन skip करनी नहीं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then there is number next. 21, 22, THR, likewise is a till 10, 7. And here you do this one. Ordinal number. ORDINAL. Ordinal numbers. NDERS. Then देखो first one करके abbreviation में short लगाएंगे. ऐसे small right. So this is the spelling of first. FIRST. What is the spelling of first? FIRST. sorry, THIRD. This RD is here. And four, FOURTH. फोर का स्पेलिंग है, उसमें TH लगा दो, ये बोल बन गया ओरिजिनल नंबर नेक्स्ट। फोर्थ देन फिफ्थ, TH FIFTH, fifth. This spelling is fifth here. This abbreviation is here, short form. Okay, TH. So you repeat it, but don't write like this with TH. No, never write like this. Your fifth means TH should be here only. Yani baby. Okay, if you write first, no less T. This is not first. You have to write ST here only. Okay? Clear, guys? This is first, fifth, first. If you want to write second ending, your ending should be here, not here. This thing is not acceptable. ST, if your ST is here, no. Okay? Your writing should be clean properly. Then six, SIX, six का जो स्पेलिंग है TH लगा दो, six हो गया six. Seven, SEVE and TH. There is the spelling of seven. Write the TH. It's a original number next. Seven. Eight, EIGHT. H. Only H. H because T is there. So just add here H only. Eight. And your TH is here. Ninth. NINTH. So NINEH. NINTH. This is the ninth. Okay? So nine, NINE is silent. E is proper. E is flying away. यहाँ तो E था वो कहाँ गया? Flying away. है ना? So NINTH, ninth. NINTH, and your TH is here. Then tenth. This is the tenth. TENTH, tenth. And your tenth, TH is here. Clear, guys? This is your ordinal numbers name. You have to write like this. Clear, guys? This is your CW. I will send the pic also. And let's one more activity here. Look here. Listen, guys. Look, this is your textbook, page number 29. Which page is there? Page number 29. Clear? ये clear आ रहा है क्या? I am going to explain this one. Okay? चले. Look here. LOOK. Look at the picture given below. नीचे एक पिक्चर दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. Look at the picture given below. चले. First one is Gaurav, Mohit, Riya, Joseph, Ali, Tina, Gopal, Deepika, Ashu and Salman. Okay, this is the students. They are going to at the zoo and they are standing in a square. So if I want to say Ali, so Ali is at 5th position. Which position? Ali is at 5th position. If I want to say Gopal, so Gopal is in 7th position. Clear, guys? If I want to say Ashu, Ashu is in 9th position. Hope you all are understand. Okay, chalo. Look here, I am explaining this one. Okay, guys, chalo. Here is the filling the blanks. Look there. Chalo. Your question is there. Fill in the blanks. Your first one is GAURVA. Gaurav is standing at FIRST, first position. Gaurav is standing at first position. Okay? Gaurav is standing at first position. Okay, chale. Second one is Asu. Asu is standing at 9th position. In which position Asu is standing? Asu is standing at 9th position. Clear? Chale. Now, dash position is for Gopal. गोपाल की पोजीशन कौन सी है? सो गोपाल इज एट 7th. कैसे काउंट करोगे? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6th and 7th. This is the 7th and it's a Gopal. So write here 7th, SEVENTH. 7th. 7th position is for Gopal. 7th position is for Gopal. Okay, chale. Now next one is Riya is at. Chale, where is the Riya? Riya is here. And which position is there? First, second, third. So Riya is at 3rd position and Tina is at 6th position. Let's count. Where is the Tina? Tina is here. So let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th. So Tina is at 6th position. Clear, guy? This one is your today's CW, and this ordinal number says about the position. This ordinal numbers says something about position. One more time, let's speak this number's name only one time. Let's speak the number name only. Chale, I am speaking. You have to speak after me. First, FIRST. First. Second, SECOND. Second. Third, THIRD. Third. Fourth, FOURTH. Fourth. Fifth. Spelling of fifth is FIFTH. Fifth. Then sixth. SIXTH. This TH is here. Sixth. इसको क्या बोलोगे? Sixth. Eighth. Seventh. Fourth. Okay, पीछे की एक वाला साउंड. Seventh, SEVENTH, 7. Then eighth, THEIGHTH, 8. Then nine, NINTH. यहाँ से silent drop हो गया, skip away. Okay, now 10th, TENTH. 10. What is this number? This number are all ordinal number, and ordinal number shows us position. हमें position this. ठीक है? This is your margin line. Put your star here. This is our topic. Ordinal numbers and skip line here. Then in a one box draw these pictures. एक box में एक picture आपको draw करना है. Then write their position. Next down side में क्या लिखोगे? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. And then write their cardinal numbers. And here is ordinal numbers. Then these 1 to 10 numbers should be in one box. Each one number of one box. Okay? And write their value. 1. This is the cardinal number names. It's 1 to 10. Then in the second